Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord account on PC with the latest update. If you've ever needed to switch between different Discord accounts, whether for work, school, or personal use, the process is super simple. Let's jump right into it. First, open Discord on your PC. Make sure you're already logged into the account you use regularly. Once Discord is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your username and profile picture there. Next, click on your username. This will open up a small menu. From that menu, go ahead and click on Switch Accounts. This option will allow you to easily switch between your different accounts without having to log out. Now, you'll be prompted with a list of accounts that you've already added to Discord. Choose the account you want to switch to. If you don't see the account you're looking for, you may need to add it first. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Discord account. It's that simple and quick, thanks to the new update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Discord tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.